Welcome to the second lecture of technology. Welcome to the another existing episode of the Tech Collision, where we delve into the ever evolving world of technology. I am your host, your name, and today we are going to explore the idea of innovation from the latest breakthrough of the fantastic trends or digital landscape. Our journey being with the articles, intelligence, a force that transforming industry and reshape that way we live. From virtual assist to advanced machine learning, AI is making way across various sectors. Take chatbot for example. They are becoming more intelligent and providing personalized experience in customer series and beyond. They feature AI hold potential. We are pushing the boundaries of what machine can do, from natural language processing for complex decision making as we continue our explain, ex, exploration. Let's take about 5G, the fifth generation of wireless technology. It's not just about it's not just about fast download speed. It's changing for connectivity. 5G is not just an upgrade. It's a platform from innovation with reduce and bandwidth and increase bandwidth. We are looking for smart city and the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things or not connection our world in way we never imaged. Smart home image offered to your home your need adjusting temperature, lighting, and security based on your preference. Now let's dig into the computing into pushing the boundaries of classing computing, opening new door for solving complex problem and unrestricted speed. Quantum bytes of qubits enable parallel, allowing us to take problems that were once considered unsolved. Its revolution is information processing. With great technology adjustment come to need for robot as we live, become more connection. Our digital assist become paramount. From ransomware attack to publish scheme, the digital landscape is alive with trade. We must stay vigilant and employ advanced security measures to protect our data. And then we have it a glimpse into the exist 14s of technology from AI, the quantum computing, the ambition and shaping our future as we continue to embrace technology model. Let's remember to navigate this digital 14s responsibility. Until next time, this is for you. This is your names in Evolve. Stay conscious and tech sane. Quantum bytes is unable, allowing us to task problems that were once considered unsolving. Its revolution, information processing. The Internet of Things or dot connection over world in a way we never imagined. Smart home image a world where we home your need, adjusting temperature, lighting, and security based on your preference. With great technologies, adventures come to need for profit. As our life become more connection, our digital assist become paramount. 5G is not just uncreated, it's platform for innovation with reduced literature and increased bandwidth with unblocking smart cities and the Internet of Things. The future of AI hold potential. We punish the boundaries of what machines can do from natural language processing for complex decision making. As we continue our exploration, take that about 5G, the fifth generation of wireless. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time, bye.